Welcome back. I'm Dr. Greg Chappell. I'm going to go over another stress management technique with you tonight, and that is some rhythm breathing. There are a lot of different types of breathing techniques out there. I'm going to go over a couple of them with you. And the first one is called opposite nostril. And so what you're going to do is occlude one nostril, and you're going to breathe in through one, hold it, occlude the other one, breathe out through the other nostril. Breathe in through that one, occlude that, breathe out through the other. And you can do this whatever rhythm you want, or if you want to, you can develop a certain rhythm, like for a certain count of breathing in and holding it, and then breathing out, and then breathing in, holding it for a certain count, and breathing out. So you kind of get into a rhythm, and it gets into almost like a meditation by itself. The really nice thing about this breathing technique that I really like is the fact it oxygenates different sides of the brain to help bring balance back into the system. Another really nice little technique is particularly like mid-morning or mid-afternoon, you're feeling a little sluggish and a little run down, you need to wake yourself up. It's called hara breathing, and you're really going to do this with pumping the diaphragm and forcing air out, and then you automatically breathe in. You force air out and breathe it in. And so what it does, it helps to oxygenate the brain very quickly. It really can wake you up, get you back on focus, and so forth. So what you're going to do with this is that and if you have a cold and you're a little stuffy, make sure you blow your nose first, or you're going to have stuff blowing out all over the place. So what you're going to do is just contract your diaphragm very hard and just force the air out. So it's like... Now make sure when you're doing this technique that you're sitting down and you're not operating machinery or driving a car or doing anything where somebody or yourself could get hurt, because you might hyperventilate and you might get a little woozy at first when you first start doing this. If you're not used to oxygenating yourself, your body can get just a little bit out of sorts. So make sure you're in a nice, comfortable, safe position. And try that for about 30 seconds to a minute, and that'll help to kind of pull things back up and get you back on track. So I'm Dr. Greg Chappell. Thanks for coming. Hopefully this has helped. Share it with family and friends. And remember, you got one life to live. Let's live it well.